Hello, hope you're all doing well health wise because I know in this pandemic many of you would have lost jobs because of layoffs. When you have been laid off from your jobs, it can be incredibly overwhelming to know what to do and how to put up your professional life back on track. But remember, when one door closes, another door opens. Not another one door, but many doors. If you work super hard, we are going to engage in a session on recover from layoffs, wherein you're going to learn what are the steps you can do after layoff. This session is going to happen at the comfort of your home online on July 5th between 4:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. For this, you're going to invest something a very negligible price but going to be a fruit for your next phase in your life. The investment is just 199 INR only. You can click on the link given in the description to register and invest. Upon registrations, you're going to get the details about the webinar to your registered email inbox. Additionally, I am giving you a compensatory session on growth mindset, wherein you're going to know to operate your mind and set your mind for your growth. This wonderful session is going to be handled by Mr. Varun Kumar from Bangalore. Surely these sessions are going to be an interesting ones and you're going to explore the you in you. Looking forward for all of you to connect with us in these webinars to entering into the wonderful phase of your life. Thank you.